Hey everyone, quick hands-on style breakdown of the Samsung M70H. So, this TV is basically Samsung's budget gateway into mini LED, and at around $400 depending on size, it definitely feels like that. Now, on paper you get VA LCD with mini LED style backlighting, but here's the catch. It's edge lit and software dimmed, so don't expect those deep, punchy blacks you see on premium TVs. Colors are also a bit muted since there's no quantum dot layer. It's a 60 Hz panel natively, and while bigger sizes try to simulate 1 or 20 Hz, it's really 1080p trickery, so not great for serious gaming. Plus, no HDMI 2.1, so next-gen console features are basically off the table. On the plus side, Tizen OS is smooth, you get solid app support, and Samsung promises long software updates. So yeah, great for casual viewing in a bedroom or secondary TV, but not for gamers or home theater fans.